Goodwill brings to you the weekly share market update dated the 20th of April, 2024. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Aster DM Healthcare zoomed 14% to hit a fresh record high of 558 rupees on the National Stock Exchange in early deals on April 15th. The gains come after the company announced a special dividend of 118 rupees a share. Average trading volume on the counter jumped more than fourfold, with a total of 1 crore shares changing hands on BSE and NSE combined, compared to the weekly average of 21 lakh. The Aster DM Healthcare board on April 12 approved the declaration of a special dividend of 118 rupees a share payable to those shareholders whose names stand on the register of members of the company as on April 23. Shares of Exide Industries Limited zoomed over 6% to hit a new 52-week high of 423 rupees apiece on April 15 as Morgan Stanley raised the target price to 485 rupees from 373 rupees after citing multiple levers for growth for the company. The new price target implies an upside of 22.8% from the close of 398 rupees on April 12. The firm's share price has surged over 120% in the last year. The international brokerage is of the view that the battery manufacturing company's shares could rise significantly over the next 10 years. Furthermore, the government support for Made in India EVs can help the company become a leading player in battery cell localization. ISMT's share price increased by 5% on April 15 after the company was awarded 2 contracts from Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited. The contracts, which were received on April 12, are for the supply of regular casing pipes and have a total value of approximately 343.72 rupees crore. The contracts are expected to be executed between April 11, 2024 and February 13, 2025. The share of ISMT touched a 52-week high of 112.24 rupees and a 52-week low of 68.10 rupees on the 30th of January 2024 and the 17th of April 2023, respectively. Shares of Mastek skyrocketed 8% on April 18 after the company was named a supplier in the British Defence Ministry's £1.2 billion digital and IT professional services framework. The sharp run-up in the stock also helped it record its biggest single-day gain since May 2021. The project of the budget will be spread across a period of 4 years. Mastek has been assigned to provide solution, enterprise, and tech architecture, data, innovation, tech assurance and knowledge and information management for the UK Ministry of Defence's digital and professional services framework. Shilpa Medicare share price touched 52-week high of 558 in the early trade on April 18 after the company received GMP certification from Aegis, Austria. The company's Unit 4, Jajala, Telangana, India was inspected by Aegis, Austria from January 22, 2024, until January 26, 2024, and after a successful inspection, the unit has been issued GMP certification. The previous EU GMP inspection for this facility was in January 2020. This unit of Shilpa Medicare is engaged in the manufacture, testing and distribution of sterile injections and non-sterile tablets and capsule-finished dosage forms in the US, Europe and the rest of the world markets. Shares of JSW Energy gained nearly 5% a day after its subsidiary was awarded a claim for recovery from Tamil Nadu Generation and Distribution Corporation Limited, TANCO. In an exchange filing on April 17, JSW Energy reported that the arbitral tribunal had issued an award to Bharat Energy Limited, which is a subsidiary of their company, for arbitration against Tamil Nadu Generation and Distribution Corporation Limited, TANCO, regarding disputes arising out of the power purchase agreement on August 8. Solara Active Pharma Sciences Limited has moved up by 34.2% this week with a change of 140.60 points. It has traded with a net volume of 6.45 million shares. The share is currently trading at the price level of 551.75 against the previous closing price of 411.15. Meanwhile, the share price is trading above its moving average 450.31, which is a good indication for the stock. The stock has made the highest move to points this week, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 75.10. Adani Services Limited has moved up by 26.96% this week with a change of 11 points. It has traded with a net volume of 23.08 million shares. The share is currently trading at the price level of 51.80 against the previous closing price of 40.8. Meanwhile, the share price is trading above its moving average 45.79, which is a good indication for the stock. The stock has made the highest move to 53.40 points this week, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 71.70. Forgings Limited has moved up by 22.78% this week with a change of 196.25 points. It has traded with a net volume of 21.318 million shares. The share is currently trading at the price level of 1,057.75 against the previous closing price of 861.5. Meanwhile, the share price is trading above its moving average 926.46, which is a good indication for the stock. The stock has made the highest move to 1087 points this week, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 64.46. Nifty is currently in negative trend. If you are holding short positions, then continue to hold with daily closing stop loss of 22,225. Fresh long positions can be initiated if Nifty closes above 22,225 levels. Nifty support levels are 21,890, 21,633 and 21,488. Nifty resistance levels are 22,292, 22,437 and 22,694. Bank Nifty is currently in negative trend. If you are holding short positions, then continue to hold with daily closing stop loss of 47,741. Fresh long positions can be initiated if Bank Nifty closes above 47,741 levels. Bank Nifty support levels are 46,879, 46,184 and 45,790. Bank Nifty resistance levels are 47,969, 48,364 and 49,059.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.